Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to discuss how you can earn passive income with the Play Octopus in-car advertising tablet. Alright, so again, Play Octopus is an in-car advertising tablet, and you earn money by getting points, and every ride that you give is a point, and those rides are tracked using the GPS on the tablet. Also, every time a passenger plays a game on the tablet, that's worth half of a point. After your first 50 points, you get an initial $25 sign-up bonus, and then for every 250 points after that, you get $25. And you can also get $25 for referring new drivers to Play Octopus. Alright, now let's go over the sign-up process and the activation of the tablet. Alright, in order to sign up, you'll just click our referral link in the description. It'll then bring you to this web page. You'll enter all the necessary information. Towards the bottom of the form, you'll enter how many rides per week you give. Also, the promo code should be auto-filled with our referral code. After that, you'll then be brought here. It'll ask you a few additional questions, like your hometown and how long you've been a driver. And it also has a few optional questions as well. At the bottom, you'll upload a profile picture. Next, you'll enter your shipping and earnings information. And at the bottom, you can connect a debit card or your bank information. Next, you'll need to upload some screenshots of your driver profile to prove that you are a driver. And at the bottom, you'll enter your total amount of lifetime trips completed. Alright, and then after that, you're all done with the sign-up process. Once they review your application, they'll then send you the tablet. Mine was sent that same day that I signed up, and it arrived 2 days later. Here's the box that you'll receive. On the inside, you'll see a welcome note and also some additional information. The tablet comes with a Velcro mount that you mount on the back of a headrest, and it also comes with a charging cable and a car power adapter. Alright, here's what that welcome information looks like. It shows you how to install and activate your tablet. Once you scan that QR code and then click that link, you'll then be brought to this website, and this is where you can click the links to download the app for either iOS or Android. I have an iPhone, so I'll get the iPhone app. Here's what it will look like when you first open the app. You'll click Get Started. Then you'll need to log in with the login information that you provided during the sign-up process. This is what it looked like for me when I first logged in. It said my tablet was on the way, but it took a little under 24 hours after I powered on the tablet before I could access the full app. It says, "Welcome to Octopus. As a new driver, again, get that $25 welcome bonus when you reach your first 50 points. Then it will walk you through some information. Again, that $25 welcome bonus will be achieved after 50 points. And if you again want to look up how points work, you can click this link. Here it shows that points update twice daily. And then under the See All Points link, you can view your points history. And here's what the app will look like from now on when you open it. You'll see the home screen first, and then you'll see those toggles at the bottom: Home, Wallet, Rewards, and Account. If we click the Wallet tab, this is where you'll see all earnings. Under the Rewards tab is where you can get your referral link to refer new drivers to Play Octopus. And when they activate their tablet and start driving, you'll get a $25 referral bonus. And when you click the Account tab, you'll see your account status, and this is also where you can manage your account and also get any support. Alright, and again, it mounts with that Velcro strap on the back of a headrest. And here's what it will look like to passengers. There's the volume function at the bottom. There's also brightness functions. If they click that power button, it'll just take them to this placeholder screen. There's also a map view, as well as a weather view. And then there's the Your Driver view, where they can see some information on you, the driver. Alright, so that's it. Pretty simple process to earn some passive income. I used it for the first time this past week. I gave 43 rides. It tracked 44 points in the app, so the tracking was really accurate. I think that extra point came from a couple passengers playing games on the tablet. Again, I'll get my initial $25 bonus after I get that 50th point. A couple other things to mention: there was a slight rattle of the tablet with the Velcro, so I had to just jam a little Kleenex behind it so that rattle would go away. Also, they recommend that you bring the tablet in with you every single day. I personally park my car in a garage, so I just leave it in my car. But you do need to remember to turn it on when you start giving rides every day, so I actually have a reminder set on my phone for the days that I drive to turn on the tablet. Overall, I do feel like this is a pretty simple way to earn some passive income doing rideshare. I do feel like they could pay out a little bit more, something like $50 for every 250 rides. It would be nice to see what their margins are, because this advertising is getting in front of a lot of passengers. But what do all of you think? Again, if If you want to sign up, our referral code is in the description. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on my current upfront fare acceptance strategies, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.